I'm Jonathan, and after living in the back of this van for 2 years, I invented the Geyser System. It's the world's most convenient, hot portable shower that uses less than 1 gallon of water and is ready in as little as 5 minutes. Now you'll use 10 times less water and have more space for you and your gear. This is where the magic happens. Let's check it out. Our products are 100% assembled in Montrose, Colorado, and our crew is boldly taking on water scarcity around the world. Say hey, crew.
Hello. Hey.
Lauren, can you pass me a scrub? Thank you. Last year, these scrubs saved over 1 million gallons of water. This year, we're saving 18 million gallons of water. We offer free shipping and are available at REI stores everywhere. Or if you're a nomad that's currently on the road, no problem. Eric here will make sure that it lands in a post office on your route. Say hey, Eric.
Hey, hey.
On behalf of this crew, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to do what we love. Join us in redefining what it means to live on planet Earth and making the most of every sacred drop of water.